Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today I am doing a Dollar Tree haul. This is one of 3 bags. So if you want to see everything I got, you're in the right place. But before we get started, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please just take a moment to hit that subscribe button down below. That way you'll be subscribed to my channel. And if you hit that bell next to it, you'll be notified when I upload new videos, which is every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So if you want to see all the goodies that I got, just sit tight and let's get started. Alright guys, if you caught my video the other day, you would have heard me mention that I have been having little issues with my mother lately and taking care of her. I do care for her. She has Alzheimer's and I'm in the process of trying to find a memory care facility to move her into because it's just become more than I can handle anymore in my home. But part of that is she just has nothing to do. So I thought I would go in there and try and find just some activities that she could do. I had her making some jewelry for a while where she was just simply stringing beads onto a necklace, but even that became too hard for her. So just something that'll keep her hands busy I thought would be helpful. So some of those are items for her, some for our household, and some things are just like some 4th of July stuff that I picked up. So let's get into this and I'll show you everything I got. Okay, I'm going to start with what I have in front of me, which is, well, I'll get to that after a second. Picked up a couple of these notepad things. I always seem to be needing something to write on. You get 2 in each package, so I picked those up. Those are for me. And then I also picked up a composition notebook. Again, always needing something to write on. For my mother, I picked up a couple of the large print word search books. So she will have hopefully some activities. She is able to still do these, so that gives her something to do. And then for taking her medication, I just picked up these little plastic cups. That way she's not dirtying an entire cup every time that I need to give her pills. It's saving me on washing dishes. Also, I don't honestly have small vases for when I get flowers. So I picked up just a couple little vases. One's just a plain clear one. I should hold it back here. And then this one is a green shade. Very pretty. So I just thought those would be handy to have around because I never seem to have anything. I end up taking just a regular drinking glass and putting water in that. And that's not so attractive. Picked up just some little sponges to use around the house. And then I always seem to be needing these felt pads to put on the bottom of something to keep it from scuffing things. So found these, and I think the last time I got something, it was probably a third as many of these, and it probably cost around $10. And probably can't see, but this is 3 deep of all of these. So you get a total of 60 of these pads for $1. Can't go wrong with that. Also for my mother to do her puzzles, I picked her up some pencils, some mechanical pencils. So these are colored ones and they all have refills in them. So she'll have plenty of pencils. And then just for me, some gel ink blue medium point pens. I don't know why it is so hard to find the ones that click, that are blue, that are medium point. Something about them makes it very hard to find. Also, my mother-in-law is having a garage sale not this weekend, next weekend. So I have a ton of stuff I need to go put out there. So I picked up a whole bunch of these garage sale stickers along with just some blank white ones because I'll be doing my own pricing on a lot of things. And then I picked up, there's 3 of them here, so let me take one of them out. Just for me to be able to tote my makeup around and stuff, I picked up 3 of these white bins. I like candles on the side for carrying. And that way, because I tend to take my makeup out of the bathroom and bring it in here when I'm filming, and then I have to take it all back. So I've got armloads of stuff. So I thought this would just be a little bit easier. Here's my receipt, by the way. What did I do for damage? $74 at the dollar store. Alright, I just picked up some inexpensive little towels. They're all the same, but I got 4 of those. So we have some new kitchen towels. And then because my husband loves these, I picked up some of these Yoo-Hoo chocolate drinks. And I picked up 2 packages for him, so that will make his day when he gets home from work. Again, from my mom, I picked her up some of these little bubbles so she can blow those and hopefully keep herself entertained for a little while. These I got, they're just little scoops. They're plastic and they have holes in the end, but we have for our Traeger all these big plastic tubs of the pellets, and we've been scooping them up with our hands, so I thought I would get some of these scoops to make it easier to get it into the Traeger. So for $1, you can't go wrong with that. Also from my mom, I just picked her up some of these cute little beaded necklaces. I think they'll be fun for her to wear or just kind of play around with. Anything that is shiny and sparkly and has color to it, she just absolutely loves right now. And last thing in this bag, I picked up 5 extension cords. They're 6 feet long. And I think that's a pretty good price, $1 for these. So next time you need extension cords, go to the dollar store. Here's the big bag. Okay, are you guys ready for this one? I got a drain rooter. You're supposed to be able to stick down your drain and hopefully get things unclogged. I think my mom has put some things down the bathroom sink that I'd prefer not to have to call a plumber on those. And then I picked up just a few little stuffed animals for her to have in her room. Again, just something for her to have something to do. For closing chips in the house, just some little clip things. No, not magnetic, but they're very heavy duty, so I'm excited about that. For the refrigerator, writing little notes and things and stuff. And then another little notepad. Guess I'm in a note writing mood because I got a whole bunch of stuff like that. Also for my mom, I got her a magnetic drawing board. So we'll see if that can keep her entertained. As well as a spiral art thing. It's like those little spirograph. Is that what they're called? Spirograph? Is that what it was? Leave me a comment down below. What am I thinking of when we were younger that we played with these, or at least our kids did too. For when I work out in the yard and get all sweaty, I got myself a couple of bandanas to tie around my head. Then I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these for Mom. So these are just some tissues. Tell me if your mother was like this. My mother has to have tissues with her all the time. If she doesn't have tissues, then she freaks out because she needs to know that where she's going to is going to have them. And not only does she keep them on her, but she shoves them up the inside of her sleeve. But that's where she will pull them out of. It's like a little magic trick. It's a never-ending thing of tissues. So I thought this would be a little easier than her having to dig into all of the big boxes of tissues. This is for me. Got myself a nice big whisk, because all of mine are about that big right there. So it doesn't do a very good job. And then they have these huge measuring cups that'll hold 4 cups each. So I picked up a couple of those. And then I got these little kits, again, from my mother. So this one is a Mickey Mouse one. Then we got the Disney Frozen. And last but not least, it's the Disney Princesses. So these are just little coloring things that she can do, and each one of them has the markers inside there. So again, this will be just some activities that she does. If she chooses not to do these or plays with any of these things, they're going to be great for my grandkids. Which, by the way, both of my grandkids, or 2 of them, are graduating from preschool. So I'm going to one graduation in 2 days. I need to find out the date of the other one. So I have grandkids going into kindergarten now. All right, we're on the last bag, you guys, and these are all decorations. Let me get these out of here making noise. For 4th of July. So I just thought that these would just be some fun things to hang out front. So there's a little star with a actual bell at the end. That's 10. And I got this is wooden. So it says USA, and then it has like the little fireworks in the background. I have a place to set stuff. And this one's also wooden. Usually it says America, which I thought was cute. And then I got this ribbon, which you can see it's got glitter all over it. I'll probably hang that on the front door. And then I have this one that says In God We Trust. Actually, it says it in both places, so it says it down there as well. Want you to know, In God We Trust. Also, I got this burlap bow, and it's got the glitter on it too. Okay, this starts with the top hat. This is all wood. So it goes the top hat, USA. So that one's kind of a long one. Just so you know, in my front entryway outside of the house, so when you walk up on the front porch, I have decorative things on both sides of the door. So I can take all that stuff down. I change it out at Christmas time and put Christmas things up there, and I'll do all these 4th of July things. And I got another In God We Trust sign as well. That one's just a little bit different than the other one. And that's the very last item. So this is just a wind spiral. It's going to look like that and hang down pretty long. So this is cloth, and I just thought that would be fun to hang up outside the front door. I do have a wind chime out there now, so I'll take that down and put that up as well. So that is the end of my Dollar Tree haul. If you have some good ideas of things that I can pick up for my mother to keep her help entertained, please leave me a comment down below. I have racked my brain trying to come up with some things that she can do that wouldn't make a mess, and she can just kind of keep herself occupied. She's tending to want to stay in her room an awful lot. I cannot get her to stay out in the family room. She'll eat dinner really quick and go back in. She'll eat lunch really quick and go back in her room. So she just feels safer and secure in her bedroom. So I just want to have things that she can do where it'll keep her occupied, not bored, and keep her out of trouble. I need to keep her out of trouble. So that's the end of it. So again, thanks so much for watching, you guys. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. So I got a lot of great videos coming up soon for you guys. I'm also starting a new series, which is so excited for this one. I'm going to be adding a day in every once in a while. It's going to be called Weird Wish Wednesday. So I have been ordering some really off-the-wall kind of items from wish.com. And they're all beauty related, so I thought I would try them out for you guys and see how they work out. So I just thought that would be something fun to give a try. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, you guys. I love you as always, and bye-bye.